Welcome, my name is Ryan Cobb. I'm the lead electrician at the Chatham County, Central Carolina Community College Electrical System Technology Department. We have a great program here. We do from residential, commercial, industrial, motor controls, PLCs, electronics, blueprint reading. We do it all here. As you can see, this is part of our wiring lab. I believe in individual attention, so each person gets to work on their own individual project at once, so you get it at your pace, your hands-on. Right now, the electrical industry is really growing, especially here in Chatham County. They need a lot of electricians, both commercial and industrial and residential. Some of the starting pay, North Carolina is about $21 an hour starting out. After you get a few more years in there and get your license, and you go up a little bit more, 25, 30. And it depends on how far you want to go, such as commercial or industrial or electronics. It goes on up $30, $40, $50 an hour, just depending on where you're at with that. Our program encompasses about 69 credit hours through a diploma, through an associate degree, and through a certificate. Maybe some of you just want a certificate just to learn how to wire up something. We have that. It's about 4 classes. You can get that, maybe 1 or 2 semesters. Then we have a diploma to get you a little bit more involved in it. It takes about a year and a half to get. And then finally our degree, it is actually an associate's, the science degree. So you can use it. Some of the classes can transfer to a 4-year university. And all the hours that you get in our associate degree, 2,000 of them apply to 4,000 for your to take your license. So you're welcome to do that. We'd love to have you here. This is a great program. If you like hands-on, if you like learning about new stuff, come out and try us out with the Chatham campus, Central Carolina Community College, Electrical Systems Technology. Thank you.